Riendekithia ria munene wa borithi Japheth Koome rigie wandikani wa maabitha a borithi matanyihĩire 5,000 riaya kwaga gukinyanira kumana na unyihu wa kigina gia thirikari. Kuringana na kamiti ya mbunge hindi ya kwarĩrĩria bajeti ya mwaka wa kigina ruhonge-ini rwa borithi, ministry ya kigina ndĩrĩ na mbeca njiganu cia gukinyaniria mubango uyu, na uguo wandikani uyu waga gwetereria nginyagia mweri wa kana mwaka turorete.
The issues we have now of bank, drugs and all this cannot be done by the police alone. We need to involve the local population.
There is some confusion about who is between the two agencies, the police service, the National Police Service and the National Police Service Commission, whose mandate is recruitment and training.
Kuhithukite kigina kiria kiri kuo ministry-ini ya kigina ni ciringi milioni 500, muigana uria kuringana na kamiti ino ndungĩigana gukinyaniria mubango ucio.
What is this approval in form of? Is it verbal? Is it written? So that we know that we are giving budgets to the right group, the right organization.
To know the status of this police housing, and specifically where they are located in terms of equitable distribution in this country.
Thĩinĩ wa mwaka wa kigina wa 2023-2024 ruhonge rwa borithi rugairwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 106.8 iria gatagati-ini ga icio ciringi bilioni 105.1 ni cia mahuthiro undu umwe na urihi wa mishara kuria nakuo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 32.8 ni cia tabarĩra cia uthii wa na mbere. Koome agitariria ruhonge ruru rurabatara kuongererwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 82 niguo gukinyaniria mubango uyu.
Myself, I cannot see the 2024. I mean, how do I, with the shortfall I have? I can't see, even my eyes can't see that 4. I can see the 3. So I still can't, I cannot still see the 4.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.